Hey guys, today we're gonna detailing this engine. This is Toyota Calya 2017. As always, I'm not a professional. If you want to do this, the risk is yours. First step, make sure the engine is cool to the touch. Then removing the battery, always remove the negative first, then the positive. And when reconnecting, connect the positive first and then the negative, or you have a chance to blow the battery. Also, when removing the battery, everything electrical will reset. Time, date, tape, car seat memory, and any others. But it's still better than having the risk of shorting. Also, if your air intake is blocking like this, you can also remove it and clean it separately. This is also to make sure everything is dry when you blow dry it later. In case it's very dusty, you can also clean it a little using a paintbrush on the electrical connection before you cover it up with aluminum foil. Then cover the air intake, fuse box, and any electrical connection that you can see. Also, don't forget to cover the alternator. This is MIG wire super degreaser diluted at 4:1. Spread it out nicely using a paintbrush. Rinse using a garden hose. Never ever use a pressure washer on an engine. And spray degreaser again. This time I let it to dwell about 3 minutes. And rinse again with garden hose. Now the drying process, I use a blower that has a heater. Last part is dressing. I use mother's back to black. Spread it using a paintbrush. Let it to dwell about 10 minutes. Wipe it off with a towel. And don't forget to put back the air intake. Reconnect the battery again, positive first and then the negative. I hope this helpful. You can check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.